You're moving! Congratulations.
Now you have to take everything you own and put it somewhere else. Packing sucks, but let's see if we can make it less sucky. The main thing you have to do is to reduce. There's a lot of stuff you own that you have never used and that you will never use. Go for all the junk drawers in your house. You have a ton of chargers, but you have no idea what they charge. Throw them away. If you haven't used something in the last 5 years, throw it away. If you find some important documents, pick them up. Put them in a folder. Do not throw the folder away. Go to your closet. If you find clothes that don't fit you, donate them or just burn them. If you're a month out from your move, try hanging your clothes up in your closet facing backwards. As you wear and wash them, you'll put them in facing forwards. That way, by the end of the month, you'll know exactly which clothes you wear. Now that we've gotten rid of the dead weight, let's pack. You'll need boxes, scissors, markers, and packing tape. Gather everything you're going to need during and immediately after your move. Keep things like phone chargers and toiletries separate, and pack a suitcase with some comfortable clothes. Start by building up the boxes, and decide how many you'll need for each room. When it comes to packing, you'll want to place the heavier items on the bottom, and the lighter items on top. Make sure to save the delicates for last. Wrap these up and place them in carefully. Once the box is full, tape it up, and write down on top of the box what room it was packed in, as well as a general description of what's inside. When placing boxes in the truck, make sure to pack them by room order. This will make unloading so much easier. Well, there you have it, how to put things in boxes. As you can tell, when it comes to all things house, we know what we're talking about. So for more tips and tricks, check out the rest of our content.